Students, let us begin with lesson number 7, section 2, towards peace. On the screen, we can see the symbol now known internationally as a peace symbol or peace sign. The dove, the olive branch, and the peace flag are some of the popular peace symbols. Wangari Maathai was a Kenyan social, environmental, and political activist and the first African woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize and Right Livelihood Award, also Goldman Environmental Prize. Summary of the Nobel Peace Prize acceptance speech by Wangari Maathai. In her acceptance speech, Wangari Maathai expresses her gratitude to the world for her Nobel Peace Prize. Her goal is to convince the world that the environment has much more importance than most people seem to realize. As the first African woman to receive the prize, she accepts it on behalf of the people of Kenya and Africa and indeed the world. Wangari Maathai was passionate. Passionate means having strong feeling about trees and concerned about the environment, concerned about the surroundings, because she grew up in the rural countryside. Her grandmother and other family members also instilled in her the love for nature. Grandmother considered the fig tree as sacred. Sacred means holy. The Kanungu stream provided them with clean and fresh water. After completing her education, Maathai came back to Kenya to teach at the University of Nairobi. She was the first woman to get PhD in East and Central Africa and the first woman to head a department in the university. As Maathai returned to Kenya, she noticed the wide spread of deforestation. Wide spread of deforestation means trees were cut down in a large area, which caused malnutrition and famine. Malnutrition means imbalance in a person's intake of energy. Famine means scarcity of food. Scarcity of food spread throughout the land. A few questions arose Maathai's mind. After a thorough study of the situation, she realized that the land had to be reforested. Reforested means growing of trees and plants again. Maathai realized that the only way to improve the condition of the poor and their disadvantage was to fight for people's right and democracy. She remembered the story of the little hummingbird told to her by her mother. In the story, the hummingbird carried water, threw it on the blaze of fire again and again. The little hummingbird said, "I am doing the best I can." Maathai wanted to be like the little hummingbird, and she was all her life. It has made a big difference. People are more aware that war, peace, democracy, human rights, and the degradation of the environment are all connected. Combine each set of sentences by using participle. 1. He felt tired. He laid his work aside. We can use a participle. Feeling tired, he laid his work aside. Second one, the stable door was open. The horse was stolen. The stable door being open, the horse was stolen. Third one, he ran at top speed. He got out of breath. Having run at top speed, he got out of breath. Fourth one, I was walking along the street one day. I saw a porcupine. Walking along the street one day, I saw a porcupine. Combine each set of sentences by using preposition. First one, he attended to his duty. He earned promotion. We can use the preposition by. By attending to his duty, he earned promotion. Second one, he amused us very much. He sang a funny song. Use a preposition by. By singing a funny song, he amused us very much. Third one, the weather is pleasant. It is a little cold, however. Despite being a little cold, the weather is pleasant. Last one, he was a good writer. He was also a good orator. Besides being a good writer, he was also a good orator. Combine each set of sentences by using adverbs or adverbial phrases. 1. He answered me. His answer was correct. He answered me correctly. Correctly, adverb. Second one, he forgot his umbrella. That was careless. Answer, he carelessly forgot his umbrella. Third one, the train is very late. That is usual. Answer, the train is very late as usual. Late as usual, adverbial phrase. Combine each set of sentences by using infinitives. 1. He cannot afford a car. He is too poor. He is too poor to afford a car. To plus verb, afford. To afford is infinitive. Second one, I speak the truth. I am not afraid of it. I am not afraid to speak the truth. To plus verb speak infinitive. Third one, I heard of his good fortune. I was glad of that. I was glad to hear of his good fortune. To plus verb here infinitive.